Here are 3 things you 100% need to avoid doing if you're trying to monetize your social media channel. Number 1 is the link in your bio should not be attached to a bunch of different things, right? You're gonna end up sending your bio to a bunch of different places, and a confused buyer does not buy. You want one singular offer focused on your ideal customer. That way you can put all your energy and effort towards one thing. Number 2 is the link in your bio should not be sending people directly to a sales page, right? Because they still have to be sold on why this product or service is going to be a good fit for them. And not to mention, if they don't buy the first time around, they're gone forever. You have to sit and hope that they come across one of your videos again. So instead, what you want to be doing is sending them to something called a lead magnet, where they get a free gift of some sort, whether it be a PDF, ebook, whatever, in exchange for their name and email address. That way you can continue to market to them after they've seen your video. Even if they don't buy the product on the first time, you have an opportunity to continue to sell to them. And number 3 is don't be making content about a bunch of different things. Pick one specific topic, because the more specific you are, the more clear you are about who you serve and how you can help. If you want the full free training, go ahead and check out this website.